If you remember, we had done the comprehension passages in the sample paper beta. We had some different type of comprehensions. You remember we saw those graphs for a comprehension?
Yes, ma'am.
Just trying to practice a bit, collected some figures because this time the paper which is prepared, the one that you're going to have in November, I have put one comprehension of this kind only. So just trying to give you a practice. Today I'll be taking up polygons and histograms, and then one more class I'll take up pie charts. Just a brushing session for all of you, although I know all of you know about it. Syllabus you received
Ma'am,
yesterday,
is
beta?
tomorrow a holiday?
Yes, beta, tomorrow is a holiday.
Okay,
Confirmed.
ma'am. Thank you.
Good news is confirmed that tomorrow is a holiday. And I have more good news for you. Your math syllabus is reduced. Your physics and chemistry
Yes,
syllabus is
ma'am.
also reduced. Dani sir informed today?
Yes, ma'am. He informed.
5 chapters in chemistry and 6 in
Yes, ma'am.
physics. I think you should all thank Siddharth for this.
Thank you,
Ask her.
Siddharth.
Is he there? Siddharth,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there? Okay. He was the one who messaged me, ma'am, the syllabus is posted, it is not correct. We had discussed something else. Then I approached Danish sir. And then we could change the syllabus. Even the math syllabus, you must have checked, it's reduced now.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody is comfortable now. Tomorrow is a holiday also. So can we start, beta? See the first figure. Any other issues? Any other problem? Harsh, did ma'am speak to you?
No, ma'am.
Chalo, then we'll wait. Regarding the toppers batch timings, we had to decide. We'll talk about it later. This is
Ma'am,
a
now we can't figure out the timings. The coaching has increased more 40 minutes in the timing. Now coaching is still 8.
Acha, you people have started going to coaching centers. Yesterday, Gulshan
No,
sir was
ma'am.
telling
Online coaching.
must be doubt solving session and all, no?
Yes,
Mm.
ma'am.
How many of you started going? Because that day Gulshan sir was saying children have started going now physically.
Yes, ma'am. Rhythm. Rhythm is going.
Acha, he started going. Must be going to Sachin sir, na?
Yes, ma'am.
For mathematics, probably they need personal attention of the teacher. So they are going. All of you are coming to write your pre-boards, no? Are
Now, do we have a choice?
No, beta. I think you should not have any choice. Here, I also support the school management and authorities. I think you should not have a choice. You don't, I mean, you don't have the habit of writing. No? For all these 7, 8 months, you've not written anything. So the proper writing part of 3 months. Dani sir had sent me something about delay of session. I don't know how true it is. I forwarded it to 2 or 3 of
Yes, ma'am.
you.
You forwarded it to me.
I just forwarded it to two
Yes,
or three
ma'am.
people. I thought you may find out and confirm more about it. I don't know how authentic it is. But according to Danish sir, this is the official calendar of CBSE. But I seriously don't know how authentic it is. We have not received anything from CBSE yet. Any bio students present in the meeting here? Yes. Anshu, you're there? Vedant? Anshu and Vedant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, have you sent your project? I had sent a personal message. Principal sir is asking for projects.
Yes, ma'am. Project is sent. Ma'am, I am
I
in
said,
Aman's group.
Acha, theek hai.
Biology.
Then it has come. Okay, Anshu? Anshu Gangwar? You are in which group? Anshu Gangwar, you are in which group? See, in biology class also it is the same case. English class it is the same case. Anshu, are you there? Anshu, which group are you in? Now I also don't care. I'll simply put a 0. What to do? Okay, fine, beta. One by one, principal sir is asking for all the projects. Probably today we are going to upload biology projects on the CBSE side, maybe in a day or two, physics or chemistry. So please be ready. In case you all are not ready, be ready with your projects, children.
Ma'am, Mansi and Apurva's group there.
Then why don't you speak out? Where is the project, beta? Today we are
Ma'am,
uploading the
Mansi,
projects.
ma'am,
She has
Mansi
not sent.
said,
I sent a message to Apurva, but I have not yet received. See, I got the project from Arushi. I have got from Aman's group, Utkarsh group. Which group are you? Ariba, I have got. Yashasvi, I have got. Where is your project? Nobody is responding. Today we have to upload. You'll get a 0 children, your group. Immediately contact your group members.
Okay, ma'am.
I have already sent a message to Apurva. I have not yet received it. Children, are your projects ready? Physics, chemistry?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We have
ma'am.
started. I told you after Dashera we'll start uploading. So today we are uploading biology because the number of students are less. So today sir is asked, he'll upload this and please be ready. Any day he'll ask for physics, chemistry. Okay, come to this. Observe this histogram. What does it tell you? Then I'll ask a few questions based on this. The first figure, beta, figure 14.14. Are we done? Can we discuss?
What we have to do.
I'll ask a few questions. If you have seen these figures, observe them carefully. I'll start asking a few questions based on this. Yes, should I ask? Give me the first answer. Okay. What is the monthly wages in rupees of 30 workers given in the histogram? 30 workers.
325. 325.
It's wrong. This answer is wrong. Who else will give the answer?
Ma'am, between 325 to 350.
Ha, beta, then speak like this. Don't say 325. It is a range 325 to 350. Very good. Next one. How many workers are included or come under the salary range of wages range of 425 to 450?
Ma'am, 35.
35. Perfect. 1 point each. Wonderfully answered. Next one. What is the range of wages for 75 workers in this figure?
Ma'am,
375 to 400.
It is 375 to 400.
400.
So, yes, it is 375 to 400. Very good. Okay. How many percent of the total for workers represented here come in the range of 325 to 350? How many percent?
On 30 by 80 into 100.
Yes, 30
Yes,
by 80 into 100. We don't need to calculate. We are just revising whatever we have done. Why I'm taking up this question? Certainly, they will not tell you to calculate percentage, but they may give you a question where they will ask you that which is the maximum maximum laborers or workers come in what range. So there you should have an idea of how to calculate the percentages as well. So how to calculate if I talk about just 50, then how will I calculate the percentage,
Ma'am,
beta?
50 upon 80 into 100.
50 upon 80 into 100. What does this figure show? What does it represent?
Monthly wages of workers in rupees.
Yes, monthly wages in rupees and number of workers. That's easy one. Now let's move on to this one. This is age group and this is number of blinds. Let's observe this figure. Second one. Then we'll start discussing a few questions. Then I've taken up polygons. You never know. First sample paper has come with histograms, bar graphs, and pie charts. Next one, they may have polygons. So let's prepare. Today we'll do histos and polygons. Next class, we'll take up pie charts before Diwali. This time in the exam beta, I have put one passage like this.
Ma'am, which graph?
The second one, figure 14.15. See this, then we'll discuss.
No, ma'am, which graph you put in exam?
I'll put any. I may put a histogram, I may put a pie chart, I may put a frequency polygon. 3 figures I've already taken. So you'll have them in the paper. It could be a, see, I'm revising. This is the reason I'm revising with you. I've taken a frequency polygon, a histogram, pie chart. 3 things are already wanting to revise with you. And then I'm waiting for the second sample paper to be released. Okay, are we ready for the question?
Yes, ma'am.
What does the figure show you? What does it
Ma'am,
represent?
ma'am, blinds
Number
of
of
different age
blinds
groups.
in a particular age group.
Okay, number of blinds in a particular age group. Now tell me, minimum number of blinds are found in according to this figure.
In the age group 80 to 100.
Minimum number is 5. Somebody said 5,
Two, ma'am, two. Sorry, ma'am.
2. But I did not ask how many blinds. What
Yes,
was my
ma'am. In the
question?
age group 80
Uh-huh.
to 100.
I asked you the age category. I did not ask how many blinds. Okay, that is what I asked you. Next, what is the age group where maximum number of blinds are found?
40 to 60.
40 to 60.
40 to 60. What is the general conclusion? Can you draw a general conclusion from this histogram?
Ma'am, that
Is age related to the number of blinds? Let me ask you like
The
this.
people with the young and the old people are less blind comparative to the people between the age group 20 to 80.
20
20
to
to 60. 20 to 60.
So that means it has nothing to do with age, isn't it? It has nothing to do with age, that if you grow in age, you become more blind, nothing of that kind. Okay. So this has nothing to relate with age factor. 40 to 60. How many blinds?
11.
11.
Okay. How many percent of blinds of the entire population mentioned here are in 60 to 80 age group?
Ma'am, 4 upon 12 into 100.
4.
4 upon 12? Why 4 upon 12?
33.33.
Eh?
Why 4 upon 12, beta? First to tell me, why have you taken
So
12?
what did you ask? 133.
I'm asking how many percent of blinds are found in the 60 to 80 category? How many percent blinds? 60
Ma'am, in
to
60
80.
to 80, there are 4 blinds out of
Yes.
12.
Ma'am, 41.6%.
Actually,
Out of
ma'am,
12.
we need to add the total.
Yes,
Like
exactly. If you
20
add
to
it,
30. Or,
yes,
ma'am,
add.
4 by 42 into 100.
Is it coming 42? I don't think it's coming 42. Is it coming 42? Just add this.
Yes, ma'am, it's 42.
How? 0 to 20 are 5. How it's coming 42? Add with me.
Oh, ma'am, I counted something else. Sorry.
Huh. This way we'll add na beta. 0 to 20. How many children, if you can see? There are 5 now. Then 20 to 40, around 9. 5
9,
plus
5,
9.
14.
Then
14 and
40 plus
11,
16,
25,
11. And 4
29, 31.
and 2, 31. Please do not take these figures as total. We are not talking
Okay,
about
ma'am.
this. This is the range. This is the scale. See here. How many between this, how many between this, and how many between this. So that means the total is how much? 31. So I asked you about 60 to 80. Then you will take it as 4 upon 31 into 100. This is how we'll calculate. Okay. Don't go for this. Now come back to this here. Again, the same thing. Tell me what is the total according to this figure. If you have to calculate or compare percentages, then what is the total? Roughly, can we do it together? The first one, 325 to
Took a
350
bit
is
time.
325 to 350 is 30, na? Tell me the next one, 350 to 375. How many are there?
45.
45. The next one is 375 to 400.
75 and 75, 150.
Yes, one of you can keep adding, and the next is 60.
Ma'am,
And the next
245. Total is 245.
30. Yes, 60 plus 35, that will become 245. So there should be no confusion. Now answer the question going back to the first figure again. Minimum percent of workers are found in which
30
category
by
of monthly?
245 into 100. Ma'am, it's
Yes. How did you get this without calculating the percentage? How did we find it, beta? Because the
Ma'am, by
denominator is
seeing
going
the
to
graph.
be, yes, by seeing the graph also, and otherwise also the denominator is same only. If you compare the numerators, then 30 was the smallest figure. Let's come to this now. Histogram and frequency polygon together. This is number of students and these are the marks. See for 1 minute. Let's start discussing the questions. Just observe. Okay. What is being depicted here? What can you understand from this figure, beta?
Ma'am, marks of students are given.
Okay. Marks of students are given. What is the general conclusion that you're drawing from this? Tell me. General conclusion.
many students have scored marks between 40 to 60.
Exactly. The maximum number of students have scored marks between 40 to 60. Isn't it? Okay. Two things you can see are very similar. The first bar and the last bar. What does it mean?
Many very low amount of students have scored between 80 to 100 and 0 to 20.
Okay. 0 to 20 also we just have 4 students and 80 to 100 also we just have 4 students. That what does this mean? Most of the students are what? Average students
Average.
or below
Average.
average or
Yes.
above average?
Above
Hmm?
average.
Ma'am,
Above
average.
average. This class shows what? Is it above average or it is average?
Above
Average.
average.
Ma'am,
How
average.
it is, how it is above average? Because 80 to 100 to beta there are only 4. And below average, if I talk about 0 to 20 marks, again there are only 4. Most of them have got a range of what? Between 20 to 60.
40 to 60.
Yes. So I think this class is an average class. Maximum students have got the range of 40 to 60. And the number of students who have got between 0 to 20 and 80 to 100 is exactly the same. Isn't it? We've got 4,
Yes,
4 here. So the percentage is more of below average, average or above average students.
average.
Okay, this shows which kind of a class. This is an average class. Now let's move on. Yes, in class 9th or 10th, you must have done to draw a polygon without a histogram. If you remember this, then see this. Let me discuss. I've got 6 figures for you today. A few more figures. I want to finish off this today. See this one, figure 14.17, and then let's discuss. This is a little different, though the values are very clearly written. This question we are going to do in a different manner. One of you is going to interpret the entire thing and speak a few lines on this, 4 or 5 lines. I'll not be asking questions. Like if you remember, we had some data you had to analyze and then give your interpretation. So we'll do it in that manner. See this? Raise your hands. Let me see who can interpret it in the right manner. 4 or 5 sentences, enough.
Ma'am, the graph shows the temperature of various cities.
Continue, beta. Very good. You've taken the initiative. Continue. Interpret. बोलिए बेटा, very good.
Ma'am, only two cities have the lowest temperature. Approximately the lowest and the highest temperature is same. Ma'am, the number of cities are same for that.
Okay, number of cities are the same. Very good. Any other thing you can interpret?
The maximum cities have the temperature of 28.5. That is ma'am mild temperature.
Okay, not the extreme, huh? Moderate is what you're trying to say.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am, moderate temperature.
Very good, very good. See, if you are able to interpret a figure, you'll be able to answer the questions. Has he missed out anything? Anybody else would like to add on something to his part, whatever he has interpreted? Something else that he has missed out? Anyone? You feel excellent? Absolutely everything he has described, whatever can be depicted? Nothing to add on? Chale, very good.
No,
Let's give
only
full
one
marks.
city.
Hmm.
No, only one city has the highest temperature.
Only one city has the highest temperature, that is 44.5. Excellent. So you could easily relate that what is written, what is 44.5 and what is 1. So you're able to interpret this figure very nicely, very clearly. Do we have some bio student? I want some bio student to try this. Who is there? Any bio students here? Vedant. Vedant, are you there? Vedant Punya,
Yes, ma'am.
you're a bio student. I want to see how much maths you remember. Chale. This figure, first Vedant will interpret and then others will speak. Vedant, can you see figure 14.18? Can you see? Or there is a signal problem?
Scroll above. Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Chalo. I hope there is no signal problem in IFCO.
Ma'am, Faridpur, Dwarikesh.
Acha, Dwarkesh. And is there some signal problem in Dwarkesh?
Ma'am, sometimes, ma'am, it is BSNL, so BSNL is closed, shut down every day.
What about now? Now is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, before it goes away, jaldi se interpret kariye beta. And others also be ready. I just feel
What do
that
I have?
I need to give special help to bio students here. Beta, you have to interpret this. ये frequency polygon, इससे क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Looking at this polygon, what are you able to understand? बस इतना ही you have to tell me. That's it.
Ma'am, maximum number of students have height of 157.
Beta, whatever he says, if at all you feel somewhere is going wrong, please correct him. He's trying his best. He's a bio student, so I really appreciate. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, maximum number of students have height of 157. It is 127 for minimum students.
Minimum height is 157, 127 for minimum students, matlab?
Ma'am, least number of students have this height.
Okay, now it's clear. Okay.
And ma'am, highest height, ma'am, maximum height, that is also least, it is 187.
Yes, beta. Has he missed something? Anything missed out?
And two more things are there.
Add on, add on.
Ma'am, 18 students have height of 142.5. Yes, ma'am, that's all, ma'am.
That's all.
Done.
I don't think he has missed out anything. Very good effort, very good initiative, Vedant. Now, this is the last figure, figure 14, not last. We have two more very quickly. Let me take this one. Histos are easy. Take this figure. See this one, everybody now, okay? Figure 14.20. This one, beta. Just interpret this and we'll discuss this. Hurry up, hurry up. Who is going to try this? Harshvardhan?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Harshvardhan, are you
afternoon, ma'am.
good
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon. Many days. Where were you? I thought you'd gone for a space voyage or something.
No, ma'am.
Where are you these days?
Mom, he was traveling through the time to check when the COVID vaccine would come.
Maybe that is what I was wondering. Where has it disappeared? All of a sudden, entire classes you missed out. For months or so, you have not come for any of the classes. You become an invisible man. Where did you go? Like, what was that
Nowhere.
movie? There was a movie, na, where that person used to go to space. I don't know, some Hrithik Roshan movie or something was there. I don't remember which movie it was. Alien type of movie was there. Yes, Harshvardhan, start. Interpret beta.
Ma'am,
Speak.
Chris 3.
Yes. So he has become Krish 4 now. Harshvardhan. Let's call him Krish 4 only. And all of you who are not attending classes, na, if you don't perform well in your exams in English, then you wait and see. Am I clear? All those invisible men and women over here, if you don't do well in November exams in the English part, na,
The invisible men and women are absent.
so it's a message to convey to them. They are all your friends only. If they don't do well, then physically I'll call them to school every day. I'm going to torture them like this only. I'll get myself also tortured and I'm going to torture them. Every day I'll come to school and call them. Speak to their parents and call them. You know in Hindi na, क्या बोलते हैं? नमक मिर्च लगा के to add on spice. This is how I'll speak to your
Tele mein
parents.
namak chidakna.
Yes, I'll do that only. If there is one, I'll make 11 and complain to your parents. So that they send you to school and I'll be able to torture you. Harshvardhan, start.
Yes, ma'am. Most of the students have scored between 90 to 100, and no one has scored between 10 to 20, and almost it's an above average class.
Beta, be very careful in this. This is a little typical polygon. You feel it's an above average class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Most of the
Get more
students have
detail.
scored between 90 to 100.
Most of the students have scored between 90 to 100.
Scored,
What else, children, can
100.
you
Maybe it's
interpret?
90 to 100 or 80 to 100.
It's actually 85,
9.
80 only, no? Somewhere. No, if you see
The
this
peak
peak,
goes at 90 to 100.
peak is here. Peak is here.
His
Beta, what
form
does
is
this
written.
show? What does this represent? This part?
Mm.
This,
That
if you
there
can
is a
see.
dip in
Less,
score.
less students have scored
Yes.
between 60 to
Very few students have
55
scored in the
to,
range of 60
65.
to 80.
Hmm. So the least is where? Least range is which one?
10 to 20. No one has
10 to
scored between
20
10 to 20.
or 60 to 80? Which
No
is the
one has
least
scored
range?
between 10 to.
No one has scored in 10 to 20.
Least
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking. No one to will not include only in the range, na? Which is the least?
Ma'am, between 65 to 75, three students have, 3 or 2 students have scored between 65 to 75.
Okay. And what does this show? This straight line here?
It's a
This
constant.
is that 65 to 75.
Yes,
These
this is
students
at
have-
65 to 70, and then again it is rising, and then it has reached the peak. You told me the peak was around 90, 90 to 100. This is weight in kgs. This one. Who's going to interpret this? This is also simple. See, 1 minute, then we'll start discussing this part. See, then I'll take somebody's name. Ritik, are you there? Ritik and Sakshar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshar and Ritik is also there. So I want Ritik and Sakshar to analyze this, interpret this, and give us. You can take 1 minute, beta, and then speak.
Right one.
This, yes, beta. This one. Weight in kg and number of students. Just interpret this. Ritik and Sakshi.
Ma'am, the least number of students have their weight between 85 to 95, I guess, and the most
Beta,
number of
beta,
students.
aram se. So that one statement you speak, we can keep checking. So after you speak one sentence, go a little slow so that whatever you speak, we can match it with the figure.
Okay.
Continue, Bache,
Ma'am, the
continue.
first statement would be, and the least number of students have the weight between 85 to 95.
Continue, we'll keep seeing.
Ma'am, then the most number of students have, the maximum number of students have their weight between approx 65 to 75.
60 to 70. It's
I guess it's 65 to 75.
Okay, let's see carefully. Is it 60 to 70 or 65 to 75?
60 to 70.
Ma'am, we will need to study about frequency, Bollywood.
ma'am, if we put a scale, ma'am, then we can calculate
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
it's
if we
60
have
to
it on
Anyway.
paper, then we can judge
ma'am,
it.
it's 60 to 70.
Yes. So we'll give him whether it is 60 to 70 or 65 to 75. Just looking on the screen, you cannot be very precise. So we'll continue. Very good, Sakshi. Continue. Give your conclusions. Not only the reading. What are your conclusions for the figure?
Conclusions as in?
Conclusion means
Ma'am,
maximum
that
weight, what range.
ma'am, it is given, ma'am, that if it is of a school, ma'am, if we consider that it is of a school data, ma'am, like students, ma'am, not
Yes,
a
it
particular
is.
class.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, then the average, ma'am, all the students are fit and fine, ma'am, because, ma'am, from 40 it is counted at from weight 40, ma'am. It means, ma'am, it is approx, ma'am, from 8th class.
Okay. So you can give a
Ma'am,
general idea. The maximum number of students come in this range. This is how.
and the conclusion.
Hmm.
Sorry, ma'am. And the conclusion can be very few number of students are overweight, and generally the average number of students are in the mid range, like which is 60 to 70 or 65 to 75. And the number, underweight children has also have a higher number, like
Okay.
30 to 25 students, 25 to 30, sorry.
Yes. So is there a lot of difference between underweight people and the normal ones?
No, ma'am. There's
Approximate.
just
Hmm?
10, a difference of 10 students, I guess, between
Okay.
underweight and average.
So
Another
according to you,
conclusion would
Ma'am,
be,
and overweight,
what is the
ma'am, it is more,
conclusion?
ma'am. Ma'am, see, ma'am,
one
80,
conclusion
ma'am.
would be this data was taken before lockdown.
This was taken before lockdown. Interesting one. Yes, one more
Ma'am,
child
but
was adding
ma'am,
something.
it is, ma'am, see.
What?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
I'm seeing.
Ma'am,
Show
from
what?
This number of
ma'am,
fit students is very high.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The fit one is very high, ma'am, but still, ma'am,
But
80 to 90.
how can lockdown? Acha, before lockdown, you feel everybody was fit, and now they are not
Yes,
fit.
ma'am. Ma'am, sports, ma'am,
Yes,
activity period.
So you people don't do any activity these days. You must be doing
No,
something
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm lying on my bed.
and taking my classes. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask me. I have a class at 7:45 in the morning with biology students. I can easily feel that they are still there, aram se, in their quilts and answering. And now the
Ma'am,
winters are approaching.
for maths class, I have to sit on my table, study table.
You don't take it on your bed.
it
No,
is very
ma'am.
difficult to wake up
Yes,
on
ma'am.
time for maths class.
हाँ, same
Every day
time I
I'm
have
late.
my class. Same
Ma'am, if
time
I
I have
take
my class. Hmm.
ma'am, if I take maths class on my bed, I will again go
Sleep.
to sleep. Yes, ma'am.
But most of them don't join on time. It's like most of them join by 7:50, even in biology, though I have some students who are very regular. Vedant, Aman, Ariba, they come sharp 7:45. But others, they join by 7:50, 55 only. This is what I've seen. And I'm anticipating that when it will be cold now, the
Ma'am,
number is
please
going
check
to
the number. And please check the number of maths students coming in class.
early morning is the reason, beta. Winters are coming. How much syllabus now? I think syllabus is done almost.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, almost
It's
done.
almost done. Only small
Yes, ma'am.
chapters left after this.
So by 14 November before Diwali, we have a Diwali break from 13 to 16, beta, 4 days. So you have your classes officially till 12th. Hardly 10 days left now for the classes. Tomorrow again is a holiday. So you're left with just 9 or 10 days now. That's all.
Ma'am, is
Nothing
Saturday
else.
a holiday?
Ma'am, will be there a holiday on 31st?
Yes, ma'am. On 31st, is there a holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
We are so fond of holidays, ma'am.
No, exactly. We don't have holidays on Jayanti.
Ma'am, because other than Valmiki Jayanti, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Jayanti is also there on the same.
But beta, in UP, we don't have any holidays on Jayanti. No, I checked out in the gadget that you sent me. It was not mentioned. This holiday is not mentioned. I sent your list to sir, and we got this holiday. But it is not mentioned in that list, no? This Jayanti?
I think as a mark of respect, school should take this decision on them.
Yes. As a
To the
mark of
great
respect,
pioneers.
as
To
a
the
mark of
great
respect, we are
pioneers.
celebrating. I'll be just posting a message after my classes. We
Yes,
have a lot of
ma'am.
competitions. We have a lot of competitions this day. Sardar Patel Jayanti, art competition, speech competition. So you need to pay homage to them by participating in these competitions. Chali beta, thank you so much. God bless you all. We'll continue with pie charts in the next
Yes,
class.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If
Thank
any
you,
issues,
ma'am.
please send message to me, okay? Chali, thank you so much, bacha.